Whether you're a D'er, hobbyist, or woodworking pro, you need tools you can count on, and you don't want to waste your money on ones that don't meet the mark. If circular saws just aren't delivering the precision you're looking for, we recommend looking into a high-quality table saw that's capable of making both ripped and angled cuts. There are many products available to choose the best table saw for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best table saw for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best overall table saw. SKILSAW Table Saw. The SKIL 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw is an ideal saw for professionals and serious woodworkers. Its legendary worm drive gearing makes it extremely durable, providing a 3 to 5/8-inch depth of cut that can easily handle extremely tough woodworking tasks. This saw also has a 30.5-inch rip capacity, allowing for even large projects to be accomplished easily. The precision rack and pinion fence system make fence adjustments quick and smooth, ensuring precise cuts every time. Plus, it comes with a dust port elbow that contains debris in one area for easy cleanup and outfeed, and left support that allows larger cuts to be made by just one person. Additionally, the rugged rolling stand has 16-inch wheels and easy load handles that allow excellent mobility to move around the work site or shop. Number 2. Best multi-purpose table saw. Dewalt Table Saw. Dewalt Table Saw for Joe sites, 8 1/4-inch, 15-amp DWE 7485. The only suitable portable table saw that packs all the power you need for any and every job site is the Dewalt Table Saw. With this table saw, making adjustments when working and storing tools when not in use is made easy. It has a compact size, rack, and pinion telescoping fence rails, and provides the ability to make a variety of cuts. Moreover, the metal roll cage ensures that your tool will be safe at the job site. We love this model, and we've only identified one thing that lacks: it does not have a dust collector. Number 3. Best folding table saw. SKIL Table Saw. SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw with folding stand TS630700. This table saw comes with an excellent folding stand. It's a must-have tool that packs the right amount of power, built-in features, and tools that guarantee smooth and clean cuts. It comes with rack and pinion fence rails, an integrated folding stand, and parallel blade alignment, and it provides up to 4x4 material cutting ability at 90 degrees. Our favorite part? It has a dust port elbow, so this table saw redirects the dust to a container for easy cleanup. Number 4. Best hybrid table saw. Works Electric Table Saw. Works WX572L 5.5 amp Blade Runner Portable Electric Tabletop Saw. The Works Blade Runner Portable Electric Tabletop Saw offers a wide range of features and capabilities. It is perfect for performing cross and rip cuts, making it versatile. Weighing in at under 15 pounds, its lightweight and portable design allows it to be transported with ease to any job site. Additionally, the adjustable miter gauge allows for 0 to 60R miter cuts from both the left and right sides, so you can make a variety of miter cuts regardless of the angle. What makes this electric table saw stand out from the competition is its innovative design combined with performance-driven engineering standards. Works tools are made for those who want to do their projects better and faster than ever before. You'll be able to feel confident that your saw is up to modern efficiency standards and built to last. With its convenience and durability, this electric tabletop saw is an ideal choice for any enthusiast or professional looking for a reliable tool. Number 5. Best compact table saw. Rockwell Table Saw. Rockwell RK7323 Blade Runner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw with steel rip fence, miter gauge and 7 accessories. The Rockwell Table Saw is compact and mobile. With this model, it is safe to say your workshop can be transported any and everywhere. It comes with a nice carry handle that makes the said job a whole lot breezy. You can set it up in seconds and cut with it as good as a full-sized piece. It comes with a safety switch that prevents accidental starting. Moreover, it also has a storage space that can be used to house extra blades, miter gauge, etc. We love it. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.